Okay, this is January 23rd, 2014, and we're having a dandy snowstorm here in Cassopolis, Michigan. Most unusual, severe weather we've had this year. I'm going to brighten that up a little bit. I think it'll show up a little bit better. It is really coming down. We have at least 24 inches accumulated and another 8 inches on top of that of fresh snow today. It has snowed about 2 inches in the last hour and is coming down very heavy. I'll walk out here to the road. You can hear the snow crunching, and I'm going through a drift here. You know, you get your driveway cleaned out here in the wintertime and the snowplow goes by, and then he leaves a great big pile of snow at the end of your driveway, and then you have to come back out and do it over again. Oh golly, the joys of living in the snow belt. Anyhow, I thought some of you folks out there who maybe don't have snow in your area or who are interested for whatever would like to see what it's like here today. That's it. Everybody take care and keep warm.